Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. Firstly, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Then select Allow in the pop-ups and tap on Standard over here. Now you can select one of those options, Standard, Meeting or Interview. I will go with Standard, so I have to click on it and tap on the red button to start my recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon over here, and if you wish to end it and save it, tap on the check mark. From here you can delete your recording right away, or you can save it, name it, and then click on Save to save it. Following that, as I can see, my recording is over here. To play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back and hold it. Then select Delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!